What's going on? What's going What's going on, guy? Chandler Smith. If you guys stick around through the end of this video, I have put a conglomeration of all of the bloopers that I could find over the last couple weeks for you to enjoy, because I am a total idiot sometimes and I just felt like it was time to share something positive. So if you want to skip to it, go ahead and skip to the end of the video and you can watch the bloopers, but I highly suggest you stick around and watch this entire video because I really believe it's going to be something that will help you and your business. So with that being said, let's jump into it. What's going on, guys? This is Chandler Smith, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the worst thing that the coronavirus is going to do to you, to your real estate, to your business, and I'm going to show you how to avoid it. So with that being said, let's jump into it. All right, guys, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Chandler Smith, and I've been investing in real estate for the last 6+ years, and I have loved it. I love investing in real estate. I love what I'm doing, and unfortunately, this coronavirus has just turned everything on its head. And the last couple of videos that I've done have been on handling rents or dealing with tenants or working through all the situations that the coronavirus creates. And I've come to find that there is one major issue that all real estate investors and businesses are dealing with, that if they can avoid this issue, it is going to help them immensely with getting through this thing and getting to the other side and, making the right decisions as they go along the way. And in order to help you understand this, there's a principle from the book called The Happiness Advantage. And what this principle is it's called the Tetris effect. And what it was is people would go and they did a study and they were forced to play Tetris for hours on end. So they'd bring all these people in and they'd play Tetris for 2 or 3 hours every single day. And what they found is pretty soon people in their sleep were seeing these blocks falling down the screen. All right, they'd go into the grocery store and they'd see a thing of cereal and they'd want to turn it and put it in this perfect spot for it. Their brain had been changed to where they saw how to play Tetris with everything. And what I've found the last 1 to 2 weeks is that every time I open my phone, whether it's my Facebook feed, my Instagram feed, whether I talk to someone on the phone, even when I talk to my wife, to my family, it's the same thing, and it's how devastating the coronavirus is. All your brain is thinking about is this negative loop of negativity involving the coronavirus. And the reason that that is so bad is it is starting to become everyone's reality that they are stuck. They are taking the coronavirus, which is something they cannot control, and they are taking that thought process into every other aspect of their lives, and they're saying, I can't control it. Whether it's my business is failing, my real estate's failing, my relationship's failing, my attitude is failing, my health is failing. It's just taking over everything. And I have been someone in my life that I've worked very hard to have a positive attitude, to be upbeat, to be confident, to know that whatever bumps come my way, I can make the best of it. And I think a lot of that has come from working in a job where we sell pest control door to door, to where we knock hundreds of doors, and it doesn't matter what anybody says. I mean, I get a ton of F-bombs in the day, I get mean people, I get all kinds of crap, but I've just learned to let it go off my back. But with this coronavirus, it's done the same thing to me. It's put me in this negative loop of, oh, the world's coming to an end. We're in such a bad place. What's going on? And what I would tell you is if you let that carry over into your business or your relationships or all these other things, you're going to self-destruct. You're going to ruin yourself. And so you have got to find a way right now to capitalize on this opportunity to train your brain in the right direction. And I know that sounds crazy, but you've got to find good reading material. You've got to get off social media, because even the good people on social media that used to uplift me aren't posting good things right now. They're just posting bad things. All these people I've looked to for that positive outlook are just spewing negativity. And so you've got to go to the good books. You've got to go surround yourself by good people. And unfortunately, we're quarantined, so we can't do that, but call the people and you be that positive light. Relight it in people. You'll be fascinated to watch where when you do a phone call with someone and right away they want to make it negative with the coronavirus, you can snap them out of it with how grateful you are, with how positive you are. Focus on gratitude. Focus on what you have. And I promise you, this is going to help you to find more real estate deals right now when things are hard. It's going to help you deal with your tenants that are upset. It's going to help you work through the issues with your business, with your employees, with everything that's going on. And it's going to help you to make more educated decisions because you're focusing on the good and finding ways to solve problems rather than just letting the coronavirus have its way with you. And so I'm begging you to change your thought process. Now, do I believe that the coronavirus is not bad, that it's not going to be an issue, that it's not going to cause problems? No, I don't. I have a lot of those same feelings and those same fears that I've let take over the last week or so, but I'm done with it because it will destroy me and it will destroy my business if I don't find a way to kick it in gear and find a way to make it a positive thing. When you've got crap that comes your way, you are always in control. And this virus is going to bring things that you can't control, but you can control the way that you respond to them, the way that you react, and the things that you do to capitalize on this opportunity. And I know right now for most people, it doesn't feel like an opportunity, but it really is. Because here's the deal. For years, I've had people tell me, you know what, Chandler, you've done great in a good market, but we'll see how you do when things aren't so good, because there's going to be a recession, there's going to be a crash, there's going to be a hard time. And I've always said, trust me, I'm going to be great. I'm going to capitalize. I'm going to kill it. I'm going to know the market. I'm going to make the best of it. But what's crazy is when crap happens, it never happens the way that you think it will happen. 2008 didn't happen again. Something much different, and in my opinion, something that will be much harder to overcome has happened than what happened in 2008. And I am telling you right now, I have committed myself to be the positive light through this situation, to find the best, to capitalize on the opportunities. And I'm really hoping that you will be able to do the same, because as you do, as you change your mind and get into that Tetris effect of positivity, you're going to find great deals, you're going to capitalize on awesome opportunities, and you're going to make it through better than when you started. And you're going to be able to be that guy that instead of saying, I failed, my business fell apart, it sucked, you can say, you know what? I made it through one of the worst things, if not the worst things that has happened to the US economy in the last 20, 30 years, and yet I came out on top because I did X, Y, and Z. So focus on being positive, focus on being that guy, and I'm going to do everything I can with my channel to not be the negative guy. I'm going to be the guy that's showing you what I'm doing to capitalize on these opportunities, and I don't want you to view that as a bad thing. It is okay to take a very bad thing that has happened to our society and find a way to turn it into a positive. And I'm hoping that's what all of you will do. Now, if you enjoyed the video, please push the like button, subscribe to the channel, and take just a minute of your day to think of the 5 or 10 things that you're extremely grateful for, and then go out and kill it. So with that being said, thanks so much and have a great day. And just to spice it up a little bit, now that the video is over, I decided to have my videographer take a bunch of mess ups from other videos I've done and just play them for you here. And so this video is gonna end up substantially longer than I was planning on it being. However, I wanna throw them in because I wanna bring a little positivity into your life so you can watch me be a total idiot while I'm filming these videos. And so enjoy some of the bloopers that have happened over the last couple weeks. And with that being said, again, go and have a great day. What's going on? What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? Kind of the journey from zero to What's going on, guys? Negotiation. I don't like that. All right, guys. Investing in real estate. Ugh. Awesome. Now with this property, have you used a loan or have you bought it in cash? Or actually, cut that. You'd never want to do that. Sorry, Tanner. And sorry, Tanner. So if you're renting from me, gosh dang it. I like that one. Sorry, I had a burp. First one you need to read is Rich Dad Poor Dad. Oh, sorry, a little indigestion. Out budgeting. Budget as much anymore in the future. If you read those, you're gonna be set. Gosh dang it. I'm giving these places a lit. I'm charging fair market rents. I'm giving these places a live. Man, I'm struggling with that. Darn it.
Looks like I lost my mic.
The world is better. I don't like that. Now to start over. Know where rents have been and kind of know the area, know which parts are safe, which parts people enjoy working in. Oh, sorry. Let's just keep walking because I'm just gonna pretend. Yeah. Man, we're just gonna get run over here. Let's start that over one more time. Ate a protein shake this morning and I'm a little burpy. And today I'm gonna eat and I have the house and the cars and the living situation that I always wanted. Now, that sounds super douchey, honestly, and we're not gonna use that. Let's start over.